In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Dropbox folder to a new location on your PC. This is handy if you're running low on space on your main drive or if you just want to keep your files organized in a different place. We'll do everything from within the Dropbox desktop app, and I'll walk you through each click so nothing is confusing. Start by going to the Windows taskbar, down by the clock. Click the small up arrow to show hidden icons. Find and click the Dropbox icon to open the Dropbox menu. In the top right of that menu, click your profile icon, then choose Preferences. This opens the Dropbox Settings window. Along the top, click the Sync tab. Scroll down until you see Dropbox Folder Location. Right there, click Change Location. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the drive and folder where you want your Dropbox folder to live going forward. Pick the exact folder you want to use, then click Select. When Dropbox asks if you're sure, click Move to confirm. Dropbox will start moving the folder to the new spot you chose. A couple of quick tips while this runs. Make sure the destination drive has enough free space for all of your Dropbox files, because this is a full move, not just a shortcut. If you're pointing to an external drive, keep it connected whenever you use Dropbox so your files can stay in sync. The move can take a while if you have a lot of data, and Dropbox may reindex your files, so it's normal to see the app working in the background for a bit. Just let it finish and avoid shutting down your computer during the move. When the process is done, your Dropbox folder in File Explorer will now point to the new location you selected. If you reopen the Dropbox menu, go back to your profile icon and check Preferences and the Sync tab. You'll see the updated path listed under Dropbox Folder Location, confirming everything is set. Your files and folders will work the same way as before. You've simply told Dropbox to keep them in a different place on your PC. That's all there is to it. You clicked the hidden icon on the taskbar, opened Dropbox, went to your profile and preferences, clicked Sync, scrolled down to Dropbox Folder Location, chose Change Location, selected the new folder, and confirmed by clicking Move. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials.